Hey there, Airbnb host and property managers. I'm Ven, and today we're going to be deep diving into a critical strategy for a successful short term rental Airbnb business: hiring and utilizing a professional cleaning team. Now, if you're ready to take your Airbnb to the next level, stick around, hit that like button. Let's get started.
Wanna hold her, I wanna kiss her, yeah.
Now, first and foremost, let's talk about the undeniable pros of bringing on a professional cleaning team. Time is a precious commodity in the world of property management. And by hiring a dedicated team, you're reclaiming precious hours. This means that you're going to have more time for marketing, guest interactions, and growing your business. Professional cleaners also bring a level of expertise that ensures a thorough and consistent job every single time. Now, of course, it's essential to consider the cons as well. Costs of hiring a cleaning team play a significant factor. I've run into it many times. Hiring professionals comes with a price tag. And as a savvy business owner, you will need to weigh that against the time and stress that saves you. Communication is key in finding a reliable team that understands your expectations and values the consistency you're aiming for, because it's so crucial. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of utilizing a cleaning team effectively. Start by establishing and creating a comprehensive checklist for each of your properties. They're going to be different. This checklist needs to be detailed and specific. And this includes the normal things such as vacuuming, cleaning the blinds, all of the above. But get thorough, get nitty gritty. If you have propane tanks for your gas grill, make sure that those are checked and ready for your guests every single turn. If you have garbage on a specific day, make sure the cleaning team is checking that and reporting that it is taken down to the curb and or taken care of. Consistency is key. So make sure that your cleaning team adheres diligently to that checklist. Now, one game-changing strategy that changed my business was implementing before and after reports. Have your cleaning team take pictures before they start their clean of the entire property. Walk them through the property and have them take pictures of all the items that are on the checklist that need to be taken, and verify that they're searching and being made aware of anything that might have gone wrong during that guest stay. And then, of course, after they're done cleaning, take those same pictures and then show the comparison so that you have a record of the before and after every single turn. Documentation is powerful, I promise you. This not only helps your overall performance because you're able to see the progress and keep the property in the condition that you want to keep as standard, but it also allows you to have visual reference if a guest that comes in makes a complaint about something that you now can prove did or did not take place at your property. Guests lie a lot, but also guests do find things that do slip through the cracks. Now you have the proof. It's all about transparency and accountability, ensuring that your properties stay consistently pristine. Now let's talk about the hiring process. When bringing on a cleaning team, you need to conduct thorough interviews with each individual. You need to understand their experience and commitment to quality. Quality. If possible, check for references for other hosts that they've cleaned for so that you can get established and honest feedback about the person that you're about to hire's performance and their quality. Also, if possible, have them demonstrate their cleaning skills as a trial run so you see firsthand what they do. Again, you need to establish clear expectations on the quality and the level of cleaning that you need at that property. Remember, they need to align with your standards and your business. If they don't hire them. Now, in conclusion, hiring and utilizing a professional cleaning team can be a game changer for an Airbnb business. The pros of time saving, expertise, and consistent quality and cleanliness far outweigh the cons of the cost if you find the right team. Clear checklists, a visual documentation, and a meticulous hiring process will ensure your properties not just clean, but immaculate, thus generating more consistent 5-star reviews and increasing your revenue. Now, if you found these insights valuable, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Smash the like button for me if you don't mind. And then until next time, stay tatted, stay invested.